So today I'll be showing you how to make your Garmin profile public or private using the Garmin Connect app on your phone. So simply launch the Garmin Connect application and then tap on your profile icon or the profile avatar right here at the top, this one right here. Tap on that. That takes you to your profile page, and then tap on edit in the top right corner, and then you should see profile under privacy, and you can choose to make it private. Only me basically means private. So right now, because I have the check mark next to only me, it means my Garmin account, or rather Garmin profile, is private. Only I can see it. Now you can choose to have your Garmin profile only available to your connections, which means your friends, so to speak, or groups and connections, or you can make it completely public by selecting everyone. So if you want to make it public, and that means completely public, you can select everyone. These others have some restrictions for only connections and groups and connections. To make it private, select only me and then tap on back. And then also, together with your profile, you can choose whether you want to share your activities. You can do the same for the steps you go, for your badges, all that stuff. You can control the privacy of your Garmin profile and profile details. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.